Sophie, happy 57 months. Ayan si Sophia guys, oh. Kinukuhaan ko lang siya ng video, pang memories niya. Sophie, I love you. Alright, hold on. Ayan Sophia guys, oh. Ayan Sophia guys, oh. May ubo yan, ayan. Sophie, love you. Happy 57 months. You're getting so big. Can you slow it down? Can you slow it down, growing too fast? You're getting so big, love. Uy, calm down naman. Ayun, Sophia, guys. Pang memories lang niya yan, guys, someday. Love you, love. Wipe your mouth. Oopsie. You want wipes? Don't, love you, love. Ayun, Sophia. You want juice? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Ayan si Sophia guys, kinukuhaan ko lang siya ng video. Sophie, happy 57 months old. Ayan. 4 years and 9 months siya na si Sophia guys. So ayan siya. Malapit na yan siya matapos yung pre-K niya guys. So ayan. Love you, love.
I'm drinking juice.
You drinking juice? What's the flavor of your juice? Sophie, love. Apple. You like it? Ayan, Sophia, guys. Love you, love. You like your scooter?
Yeah.
Ay, ubo si Sophia, guys. So, ayan.
Okay.
Love you, love. Happy 57 months old. Ayan, Sophia, guys. Try your scooter daw. Sige, come back here. Ayan, Sophia, guys. Nag-scooter. Sige, love. Try your best. Ayan si Angela, guys. Oh. Pusa ni Sophia. Sige, love. Try your best. Love you, love. Happy 57 months old. Malapit na siya, guys. Mag 5 years. 5 years old. Oopsie. Can you say hi to our channel? Hi, guys. Ayan, Sophia. Pang memories lang niya to, guys. Ayan. Para someday may... Ayan. Sophia making drawing, guys. Ayan. Mahilig siya mag-drawing, guys. So, ayan. Love you, love. Ayan si Angela. Angela, no. Ayan. Love you, love. Where's your crayons? Ayan, nagdo-drawing si Sophia, guys. Ayan.
I'm enjoying you.
Me?
Because I love you.
I love you too, love. I'm so proud of you. May ubos siya ngayon, guys. Buti na lang Saturday. Uminom na yan ng gamot, eh. Galing siya sa labas. Naglaro.
Earlier it was Friday.
Yeah. Yesterday is Friday. Today is Saturday. You don't have school. And tomorrow, Sunday.
Monday. Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Today is Saturday.
Yup, today is Saturday. You got it. Good job. Good job, love. I love you. Ayan. Pang memories niya lang to, guys. Ayan. Love you, love. 4 years and 9 months. Ayan. Tinodrawing niya daw ako, guys. Ayan. Eto si Sophia din nag-drawing yan, guys. Ayan, kanina. Ayan, mahilig siya mag-drawing. Ayan. So, ayan. Siya nag-drawing yan. Ngayon, ayun na naman siya. Yan. Good job, love. I love you. Happy 57 months old. You gonna be 5 years old soon. Yup. Ayan, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel para updated kayo sa aming channel. Ayan, si Sofia. Love you, love, love.
I draw this right here.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. So, ayan, nagdo-drawing si Sofia, guys. Ayan. Pang memories lang niya to, guys, someday. So, ayan. Happy 57 months old, love. Love you. Ayan, nagdo-drawing siya, guys. Good job. What are you making? Love you. Love, 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 love you. Good job. We're gonna go outside later, love. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye, everyone.